Hello, dear friends. Welcome you all for the National Educational Policy 2020. In this video, the part 1, what's the main agenda of NEP 2020, we are going to discuss. What is the main importance of in NEP 2020? It's called as part 1 I'm taking. Introduction of the structure of the structure or pattern of the education system 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 and multiple entries and exits in undergraduate, incorporating national values within the education, integrating the local with global, bridging the gap between the research and education, promoting the regional languages, new phase of education, intent and content, leveraging latest technology, building an Atmanirbhar Bharat or education system in this way, like learn, question, solve, and grow as per NEP, and critical, innovative thinking among the learners, moving from what to think to how to think. Understanding the National Education Policy NEP 2020, setting up interdisciplinary studies, bringing major reforms within Indian higher educational institutions, education for all. This is the main agenda of the NEP. Now, when we go one by one, the new education policy structure 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4, according to this pattern, the foundation course nursery, LKG, UKG, first, second standard is called as a foundational course. That is also called as especially ECCE, primary level and middle level, secondary level. When we observe that the classes are nursery to second standard foundation level, third, fourth, fifth is called preparatory level, called as primary level, and 6, 7, 8 is called as middle level, and high school level or secondary level, what we call as 9, 10, 11, 12 standards. So when the child is going to complete by 12th standard, approximately 18 years. Approximately it is going to be completed 18 years. So our policy starting from the year of 3 years to 18 years. The child who is going to be studying in India. So as per from 3 years starting level and up to 18 years, multiple entry and exit of the options in undergrad course, freedom for the students depending on their necessary and interest. NEP 2020 seeks to bring in 4-year undergraduate or bachelor degree with multiple entry and exit options. Student can get certificate 1 year also, 2 years, 3 years and 4 years. But various levels are there. They completed 1 year, it is 1 year program. Even on exit without completing of the full duration of the program, students will have to option re-enter and the program, and they can complete their course. The change to 4-year UG course with multiple options for entry and exit without losing of the year, academic year, and encourage the many students to enroll and study in college for a long as they want or can. It also allows the students to study while they work between when they want to work and they want to study again when they want to study. It's not in other countries the same thing existed already. Now in India it is started. It's good moment, good and acceptable, and also inevitable. Really, many students are stopping their BTech in middle and their degree in middle. Again, they are not getting an opportunity to start. The NEB will offer multiple exit options, points in studies, and that means one could get into employment at different ages, different times, and different levels of education. Coming to the point about the incorporating national values within education. Our curriculum and pedagogy in schools, learning should be holistic education, including the sustainable development goal while building upon Indian traditions and values, fitness, language, literature, culture, values. In addition to science and technology, the NEP emphasis on the development of these elements incorporated in an Indian manner and style. The purpose of education, transformative role, or constitutional values, etc., claimed that most of its demand have been incorporated in NEP for lifelong learning is student centric, integrating local with global. However, it is very interesting point, social justice and equality, scientific advancement, national integration with these elements must be incorporated, taking into the account to the local and global. Globalization is the facing global organizations to focus on the process that will enable them to more effectively and efficiently and integrate and coordinate with their activities. Much importance to be given to the local as well as global in NEP 2020. Even NEP 2020 focus on integrating local and global. It's fine and good moment also. Bridging the gap between the research and education. What's the bridge? Using the technology, the gap between the connect between content and course will be filled as per any. This is support of the coding system. Even this supports the coding system and research and particular content. NEP 2020 acts as a media to bring the change in the new society. Virtual lab concept supports all subjects, which is never before, and easy access to everyone. Promoting the regional language. Excellent information here. In addition to promote the art and culture, it is very important to promote Indian languages. People in India talk to each other in their native language. National education policy also encourages students to learn subjects in their mother tongue until the class of 5 so as promote the multilingualism. NEP 2020 allows three language system wherever and whenever need are required. India has more than 13 languages are there. It may be considered as in Kannada, Tamil, Telugu, Marathi, Hindi, Gujarati, and other what is the other languages, Bengali, whatever it is, the languages. So India is language system. But here I have to inform you one major thing. Whereas in other countries, this challenge do not have. They have home language, school language, only one. But in India, home language is separate, and whereas in school language is separate. That's the reason where the child taking lot of gap to understand subject. It's a good time to invite such system wherever and whenever required. New phase of education, intent and content. NEP emphasizes on making job creators instead of job seekers, and is an attempt of transform the intent and the content of the Indian education system. NEP transforms intent and content of education. In this system, whatever he or she learned from various sectors, the aims and objectives are not meeting in her or his life, then no use of to him or her or to the society. Even sometimes may reflect on GDP of the country. Even sometimes this may be ever burning problem to the society. That's the reason learning to be taken place based on their interest on particular concept where he or she can put 100% efficiency now or in future. Example, sometimes child wants to become a generalist due to the parents force child study medical or engineering. But his interest is in journalism, whereas the parents are not showing interest. So it happens sometimes, some cases, many places it happened, and we have a lot of examples also. Leveraging latest technology, adopting. India has capacity of talent and technology, and that the same is going to be proved with NEP 2020 implementation. Need to adopt the technology for the future to our India. Even we know this kind of webinars in past, but we are not used due to various reasons. Since it became a part of our life, so started to use this technology nowadays due to it may be considered as COVID-19. In fact, many, in fact, maybe someone who could have opposed NEP 2020, if at all we are not burning due to COVID-19. However, we know the concept. This is very very important here. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಗಾದೆ ಇದೆ, ಸಿಂಕುವುದಿಂದ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ತೀರ್ಥ ಅಂತ ಕರೆಯಲಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ನೀರು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೂ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ತೀರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಸಿಂಕುವುದಿಂದ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ತೀರ್ಥ. Now people are believing the Modi's as a Senku, Tirtha as a words. So let believe it and let grow it, let continue it. Talent and technology wait for none. What's the what's your talent is there, nobody will stop you. And what's the technology is going to become in future, that nobody stop. Either such kind of corona or whichever the things are there, 100% will be implemented the technology. Building an Atmanirbhar Bharat, everyone should equal opportunity of learning, but level of talent is left to the individual depend upon how they focus on the content. Even 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 years of teaching and learning process helps to the child to make the child as a self-confident citizen on the particular intent and content. Self-confident, self-learning increases only when the goal is clear and the route is clear for the goal. To increase the self-confident, multiple entries and exits helpful. Coding also helpful. Vocational training also helpful. It is very important in this case. Learn, question, solve, and grow. Learning, research, and innovative is very, very helpful for the India-like country. This is the exact time to learn for 21st century. This is exactly what NEP says. What you learn, you will get. Think innovative. That makes you to ask the question. What you question, you will get the fruitful answer from the solved box. Do it and grow yourself. Due to your efforts, our nation grows. Our planet Earth grows. Our world grows due to the efforts of you only. Critical and innovative thinking among the learners. Coming to the point here, it's very, very important. Interest, ability, demand are going to map through NEP 2020. Need give provision in our education for passion, philosophy, and purpose that only students start in critical thinking and innovative thinking. There are few technical things are there here. If you say that use analysis, promote interaction among the students, ask open-end questions, and allow the reflection time, use real-time, real-life problems, and allow the thinking practice. The originality, fluency, and also flexibility and elaboration is important in critical thinking. That's what we say. We always innovative and critical thinking is very important for the learners. Moving from what to think to how to think. Till date, we have been focusing on what to think in our education policies. In the new education policy, focus on how to think. We have been focusing on what to think on our education policy. In the new education policy, the focus is on what? On how to think. There are different thinking people are there. Master thinking people, advanced thinkers, practicing thinkers, and beginning thinkers, challenged thinker, unreflective thinker. But children must be taught how to think, not what to think. Understanding the national education policy, it is very, very important. National Education Policy 2020 is meant to provide an overarching vision and comprehensive framework for both school and higher education across the country. The new NEP approved by our cabinet. There are some principles of national education policy, so which we know: pedagogy system, sustained research, and regular assessment by educational experts. Setting up in interdisciplinarity or interdisciplinary studies involve the combining of two or more academic disciplines into one activity. Example, a research project, it draws knowledge from several other fields like sociology, anthropology, psychology, economics, etc. One subject does not define who you are, how you are, what you are. That you want to become a multiple talent and research and innovative person, there are different subjects are important. There is no limit to innovate. Maybe called as the sky is a limit. You can. And even you can also beat in your innovative methods the previous people what the invention taken place. And interdisciplinary studies, there are communication is there and cultural diversity, international studies, multicultural studies, teaching and learning, public relations, psychology, and some more other things are there in the interdisciplinary studies. Bringing major reforms within Indian higher education institutions. When institutions and infrastructure reforms were there and then only implementation of NEP speeds up in India. Empower education system in higher education on the basis of autonomy. When it comes to autonomy word, there are few people says that everything will run by the government, and by default some people they says that every institution expects the autonomy permission, which it can be run by themselves. Education for all. The main aim and increase the literacy in education in India. However, to control the dropouts from primary education to higher education, this NEP 2020 helpful. Aim is to increase the gross enrollment ratio up to 50% by 2035. That is the goal of NEP. Yes, of course, when Dalai Lama, the great quotation, what is the quotation says? When educating the minds of your our youth, we must not forget to educate their hearts. Then only they can show an interest on their country. When you educate their hearts, the roots of education are bitter, but the fruit is sweet. Aristotle. Yes, to implement this education policy 2020, it may be little bit comprehensive and it's like a bitter because India has multi languages, multi kinds of people. Keeping of all these things in our mind, it's very difficult to implement, but it is easy if we educate their hearts. Of course, it's very easy. Mostly my coming videos are on this and each and everything will be given clarification on this. Early childhood care and education, the foundational learning, and foundational literacy and numeracy, an urgent and necessary prerequisite to learning. Curtailing dropouts rates and ensuring the universal access to the education to all the levels. Curriculum and pedagogy in schools. Learning should be holistic, integrated, enjoyable, and engaging. Teachers too. Equitable and inclusive education learning for all. Efficient resourcing and effective governance through the school complexes and clusters. Standard settings and accreditation for all the school education. Quality universities and colleges. A new and forward-looking vision for Indian education system. Institutional restricting and consultation towards a more holistic and multidisciplinary education system. Optimal learning environments and support for students motivated, energized, and a capital for faculty. Equity and inclusive in higher education system, even teacher education also. Reimagining vocational education, catalyzing the quality academic research in all fields through the new educational policy or new National Research Foundation, transferring the regularity system to higher education, effective governance and leadership for the higher education institutions, professional education, adult education and lifelong learning, promotion of Indian languages, art and culture, technology use and integration, online and digital education, ensuring the equitable use of technology, strengthening the central advisory boards of education, financing affordable and quality education for all, implementation. My dear teachers and friends, we know thousands of miles of journey starts with a single feet of strong step. We know this is very difficult to implement in India, But everything is possible if we believe positively. Let us believe positively. Let us support to the government. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka, Jai Bharat. My contact details are here. My name is Venkat RP. And phone number and my mail ID is here. Our website also is here. abvkgroup.com. Hope that this is the right time to take correct decision and support our country. Thank you. Thank you all.